Hi everyone. So this talk represents my personal point of view. This is a disclaimer. So it's not affiliated with Terria. So this is my GitHub and Twitter handle, as you see. So let's go. So TerriaMap is a reference web application based on React and Terria. And TerriaJS, among other things, provides a unified API to interact with three-dimensional and two-dimensional map viewers and all other features out of the box. So it makes it very solid foundation for building geospatial catalog viewers and digital twins. So it's open source. You can find it on these links. And here my favorite examples. So I don't know, maybe it's just a little bit outdated, but this is Digital Earth Pacific, and this is Tokyo Digital Twin. And this is, of course, this is Terria's map itself. So as you see, all these examples have a sort of unified, beautiful why would we want to change it? But your use case may be different, or you want to build a new feature which is hard, the existing implementation, or as in my case, I wanted to use a different CSS framework, and it also required quite dramatic changes. So, and just for fun, you may try it. So when you start out of the box, you get something which is called the standard user interface. All the UI components here come from TerriaJS core library. So you have some options to modify, but basically sometimes you want to do something different, but changing within TerriaJS has some ramifications, and it's hard to synchronize with the upstream, and you want to keep your changes isolated for some reason. And moreover, if you think in the sort of strategically, so contributing to TerriaJS core library is a sort of more sustainable way to keep everything. So let's try to change it. So when we dig into the code, we find the component down this component tree, which is actually inside TerriaJS. So we take it up, and this component is, in this particular case, is Terria viewer wrapper, which is responsible for rendering the map viewer, but just we only leave it. And if we do that, so everything goes away. We only see the map, but that's not a big problem. We can use the core Terria's JS API. And I don't know, am I showing you? Okay, so that's my fault. Okay, so these are examples of the code that I'm going to implement and attach them to my UI elements. And that's our result. Unfortunately, you will have to use the link because not everything was sorted out. So, but I will show you another picture. So if you go much longer way, you still can change a lot. And this is an example how I rebuild the full UI with Tailwind CSS. It's not, but you still can find the code. So if you want, you can find me by this QR code. Thank you for your attention.